All right, we stopping by a few of these. I'm actually here for something totally different, but some of y'all been finding heat out here at Burlington. Y'all been finding heat in the apparel section, just finding some bootleg merch. Lakers, the Mexican national team, just finding a bunch of bootleg stuff. Nothing like super high in quality, to be really honest. Like this right here, yeah, whatever. I like how I'm showing you guys and I'm saying it's whatever. But I do got Crocs right here. Spider-Man Crocs, size 7 for the kiddos, 20 bucks. Adi Zeros, what is this? This is for track and field. I think this is like for discus or shot put or something. $18.50 for these. I don't know exactly what it's for though. Got some nondescript Nikes. I don't know what the hell these are. Some Nike Golf right here. $35, $41 for the Pegasus Turbos. These are size 15 though. See, I'm actually here looking for this type of stuff. This is actually pretty dope. 15 bucks. Yeah, I'm in the process of moving, so yeah, need some stuff, man. Need some stuff like this. 15 bucks for this. I think I'm gonna grab it, dude. I think I'm gonna grab it. They got a purple one as well. This is like a Chicago plus a little extra colors. Oh, that one's interesting too. Okay. But yeah, I think I'm gonna grab this one. I would grab this for my kiddo, but these are kind of, oh, actually they're 3 different ones. For 15 bucks, that's not bad. I like this one for my kiddo, but it has all kinds of scratches on it. A Starry Night right here. That's that one, right? Oh, Van Gogh-esque at least. Oh, they got ones up here too. Okay. This one's only $3. Oh yeah, this one for 8 bucks. Yeah, this one's all dirty though, look. Still not that bad. For $3? $3, yeah, I might have to grab it. And of course we gotta check the women's section out as well. Got some Adidas clogs, some what are these, the Stan Mules. They call them the Adidas foam Stan Mules. Going for $25. These are hella interesting. Seriously, nothing to really show you. At least I got some dope art, especially for $15. That's pretty dope for 15 bucks. $20 for these two. They're not even paintings. That's not even a painting. It is on canvas though. It's like printed on canvas to mimic a painting, but that's all good. It's all good. Also got one of these right next door. Had to check the apparel. Not really anything worth showing y'all though. Oh, one of the customers was being an ass. I think they caught him like trying to steal stuff, so get into a little argument right there. Ain't nothing happening though, ain't nothing happening. And then more of these MB2s right here. This is a size 10, still going for 50. Just be nosy with everything right now. Look at this. Vapor knit gloves, they raised the price, $25 now. These normally go for $60, but 25 bucks, they raised these a lot. These were going for like $16, $17 back in the day. But 25 bucks now, damn, that's an XL too. That's a really nice one, the vapor knits, man. Those are the really nice ones. Yeah, I'm more looking for the soccer goalie gloves. Don't really see any of those. That's a dope find though. And more MB2s. These don't have resale, which is awesome, because that means the regular folks get to get them $50 for that colorway. Also got this bad boy right here for $50. These are Phantom 2s, Machinas. I don't know. Under Armour's right here going for $50. Oh, these are the Phantom 3s, my bad. The Phantom 3s, that's the one I got for my kiddo. I just realized that. That's the exact same one. 50 bucks, 50 bucks. Got mine for a little bit cheaper. Adidas right here, the Bazint. I don't know, it's some German name. But yeah, these are going for $43. These are pretty freaking clean, dude. Nice suede on it. Another one right here. So the 4th pair right here going for $50. Sean Witherspoon Adidas right here going for $35. Adidas baseball cleats, the huge size, going for $17. These some suedes right here. Yep, $35 for suedes. 5th pair of the MB2s. 6th pair in this store alone. Some Dames. These are certified, right? Dame certified, 10.5. $22. 22 bucks for damn certified. Holy cow. Another one of those right there. So it's what, 7th or 8th? And then look at this. Look at this. Dude got these Iversons right here. The Iverson questions. These are the prisms. And these are what, size 9.5? 40 bucks. 40 bucks. Does have the suede on the toe box right there. The prism branding on the back. $40 a steal, man. Another MB2 in the bigger sizes. Size 13. Under Armour Hover in a smaller size. The Machina 3 is going for 50. Under Armour Sonic Hover 4s. Or Sonic 4s. These are going for, what are these going for? $45. That's size 14 though. That's huge. Got some Curry 7s. These are freaking huge. Definitely not a size 12. And these are freaking huge. These are reduced though, because they're huge. 40 bucks. Then another one of these in a huge size, $22 for those. Looking for some more art pieces for my new spot, to be honest. Looking for mostly canvas stuff. That one's not bad for my kiddo, $10. I don't know if he would want Pac-Man though. Spider-Mans are pretty cool, but I'm not too into superheroes and comic books. Got a Zelda one, that's only 20 bucks. If you guys are into gaming, $12 for that one. Pretty much free Star Wars one, go for 17. That's not canvas, so that's wood. 25 for the Marvel, 20 for that one. Then a Joker one right here. Damn, these are cheap, dude. 20 bucks for this one too. Rocky, that one's going for 27. Pretty dope stuff. Moving over to the women's section. This looks like a kid's, but yeah, this is one of those. What is it? The gummy bears? This is the gummy bears one. That is hilarious. Haribo? Yeah, Haribo. Where's the price? Is $35 for these. These are pretty small though. Guess they got a few. This is a bigger one. Under Armour's right here in the women's, going for 50. Not much else though. Not much else at all, to be honest. And look at how thin the aisles are. Holy cow. I didn't know they had wheels on these things. All right, man. We're going to have to hit up some more spots tomorrow. Unexpected visit. Happened to be in Pasadena. Nothing in apparel, but do got some Nike Golf. Going for 35. Really can't beat that if you're into golfing. That's a 9.5. Some Reebok workout shoes going for 35. More of these. Some Brooks running shoes going for 60. Got some Currys. I don't know which one these are. 50 bucks. Damn you alarm. Got some Trey Youngs. The OGs going for 37. Dame certified size 9.5 going for 60. Way too much. Curry 7s. These are starting to get marked down. This is size 12. 38 for those. Then more of these. I haven't seen this colorway in a while. These are size what, 12? 11.5 going for 50. More of the Trey Young Unos. Those are what, 37? What was the price of these? 45. Another one of these Currys. Which Currys are these? I am not familiar with these Currys at all. 45. This is size 13 or something. Size 13 MB2s. 14 with some Under Armours right here. $39.99. Got so many, they're just sitting around. Double XL football gloves right here, receiving gloves going for $13. Then got some golf gloves. You guys are into golfing, $8 for those. And then soccer shin guards. Where were you before when I needed you? I was looking for these. I paid retail $18 down to $8. Happened to be out in Santa Clarita. No videos for a few days. I'm moving, so no internet, man. No internet. That's why I don't have any videos. Ooh, look at this Ford Mustang shirt. My kiddo wear this? 10 bucks? But this is what we came here to see. Look at this. Darius Miles jersey. Mitchell and S. Darius Miles jersey, that is from 08-2010. And yeah, $70, dude. 70 bucks. This is a double XL. Okay. Then this is actually pretty dope as well. New York Rangers. This is a 47 brand jersey hoodie. It's a hoodie that is inspired from a hockey jersey. $40, dude. $40. That is hella dope. Then more of these Pro Standard shirts, as well as Otani shirts as well. Got baseball gloves, or is this a softball glove? But yeah, no, it looks like a baseball glove. Okay. Wait, I forgot to show you the price. My bad. My bad. $25. Dodgers tumblers. These are hella nice. I go for $17. Got multiple Dodgers ones. Logo brand, is that the name? 30 ounces right here. Those are 17. Very limited shoe section. TJ Maxx near me doesn't even have any shoes at all. Not much else here though. I did look around. I do got some of the Lakers stuff. We've seen a bunch of these, but yeah, that's dope. That's the dopest thing we've seen so far. That's what's up. I'm gonna take you guys on my journey to buying stuff for my new apartment. I do got these here, the Eco tanks. They don't have cartridges. The ink comes in containers like this. It lasts forever. I've had one for, I want to say 7 years. I've had one for 7 years, and I've used 2 of these, and I've printed hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pages. Probably thousands. I'm sure thousands of pages. Yeah, 120. Cheapest one I see at Best Buy, the lower version, 2800, $200. So there's normally like $250 down to 120. I'm gonna have to grab one. I might grab one for a family member too, I think, dude. And I did check furniture. A lot of these are returns. You get like 30% off, I think, right now too. They noted it on their Instagram. Definitely not worth it with that. But like, I don't know. I think this is a part of a sectional. Like, that's not bad. $300, and you get it 30% off. So it's gonna be a little over $2. Okay. I have all kinds of random stuff too. I've posted this on my channel before, but definitely worth it if you don't mind hunting for stuff. Definitely worth it. And once in a while they will have sneakers here. So they got Hoka's right now, 145 Hoka boots. And for earlier this week, I think they had 30% off. They have the New Balances right here. Which New Balances? 2002 Rs. And those are going for $75. They had 30% off of that. So they had that for like $50 earlier this week. You definitely have to follow their Instagram. They got these as well, 725s. These are $65. They got all kinds of sizes. Make sure you follow their Instagram, Bulldog Liquidator. This is the Valencia location. They also have one in Chatsworth. They do have separate Instagrams. These are $320 down to $120. What was it, $120? I just saw it. Oh, $130, my bad. But they got North Face puffy jackets right here. They got other North Face jackets right here. They got several different ones. This is an extra small, XL, large. They got sizes. That's my haul right there. Ended up buying 2 of these. Grabbing a couple of these red chili powders, Korean stuff. Grab one for my mom and one for me. And we're done, dude. We're done. Ended up getting these for $120. The MSRP is $265, I think. Did you guys know there's a Lowe's outlet? What the hell? What city am I in? Monrovia, I think? Tons of appliances and that type of stuff. See some solid prices. Checking out refrigerators. Look at this. Look at this. I don't see any dents or anything. And look at that, $32 down to $1,600. I know a lot of places are having sales anyways, but I'm seeing a lot of refrigerators under $1,000. But like, you gotta give me door handles. Just missing door handles. Oh, this one even has the door handles and everything. Dang, under $1,000 for this Frigidaire, not bad. Like I said, a bunch for under $1,000. They got real budget options, $500. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really want to haul one though, to be honest. I got a couple boys that could help me, but I don't really want to haul it. I have to go upstairs and stuff. They have a decent freaking selection, aisles and aisles and aisles of refrigerators alone. They got random stuff, portable generators. They got all kinds of them here. Oh, there was probably a big order of these during the pandemic, and then people don't need them anymore. That's probably why they got so many. There's a big old sign. Wait, it says They deliver? They can deliver these refrigerators? Maybe I might want to get one here then. They got dishwashers. They also have a bunch of washers and dryers. I wish I bought my dryer here a while back, dang it. I think this is the one that I got for the X. Yeah. And I paid around the same price. I think I paid around the same price because I got an open box at a Best Buy. So ours didn't miss a knob though. Also got barbecues right here. Got quite a few. And this is the one right here. The Weber Spirit. Someone already bought it though. I'm curious on what they had it for because I just want to know for future references if I need one. Here's a Weber right here. This is like the bigger one. This is the bigger one. Look at this. 50% off. And I don't see anything wrong with it. Sometimes you see dents, stuff like that. I don't see anything wrong with this one. That's hella fire. $500? Holy cow. Portable air conditioners. They got 2 different brands. 50% off both of them. Yeah, and I last time I had one of those, I think I paid for something. So I ended up getting it for under $250. And then just random stuff right here. Dude got a chainsaw going for 50 off. These bins, scrub daddies, that type of stuff. Dang, okay. I did talk to one of the workers. They charge $125. They'll deliver it up to 40 miles. And most of the stuff here, overstocked items. So there's nothing wrong with them. Customer returns, nothing wrong with them. There are ones that are dented and scratched. But yeah, man, definitely worth looking, man. This one was a customer return. It looks like it's just slightly used. So someone did try it out, didn't like it. Look at this, $2,000 down to 575% off. Holy cow, looks brand new. Holy cow, that's insane.